subscribe now and press the bell icon.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Techmechos channel. This is Nitesh Kumar Shah from Techmechos. Thank you for watching my another next tutorial video, and today we gonna show you 7 most useful free software every computer user must know. So let's begin the quick tutorial. Stay tuned. Software number 1. Anvi Folder Locker. Anvi Folder Locker is a free security tool that has been developed to help you manage and protect your important files. With Anvi Folder Locker, you can lock your personal files to protect your privacy, set passwords to files so other users will have no access to them. Anvi Folder Locker Free also allows you to add permissions to your file. To download and install Anvi Folder Locker, go to google.com, type in search Anvi Folder Locker Free, click on File Hippo website. Click on Download latest version displayed on top right side of the page, install it. Open it, there displays a dialog box. Type your password, make sure your password is case sensitive. Type your email address. For locking the folder, click Add, select the destination folder and select Oops. Select Hide and Lock button on right side, click on Password. Click on Default Password and select OK. Now your folder has been locked and the displays as item protected. Close the window or open Anvi Folder Locker. It shows a display dialog box and ask for password. Type your password and open it. Directly close the window and click on Yes to lock your folder again. Software number 2. WPS Office. This software is for those who use MS Office. If you use Access MS Office, PowerPoint, Excel, but your Microsoft Office has been expired or you need to purchase the product key, then you can choose WPS Office Free as a good alternative to Microsoft's offering. WPS Office Free is the most versatile free Office suite which includes free word processor. To download and install WPS Office, go to google.com, type in WPS Office, click on the very first link, click on WPS Office Free, download it, install it. Software number 3. Driver Pack Solution. Driver Pack Solution is a great option if you're not familiar or interested in all the backup, restore options and other settings and screens that some similar driver updates have. If a minimal driver updater program is something you're interested in, then definitely give this one a shot. However, I find that it sometimes takes a while to download drivers, longer than what I've seen in similar tools that update the drivers. Driver Pack Solution is also wonderful if you want to update the drivers on a computer that doesn't have an internet connection. There's an offline version you can get that includes all the drivers offered. To download and install Driver Pack Solution, go to google.com, type and search Driver Pack Solution, click on the very first link, install all required drivers, open it. After opening, your missing drivers will be identified by it and display their drivers to be installed. Click to configure the computer automatically and install all drivers for free. Or simply cancel the first dialog box and you can download Driver Pack offline too. Click on Download Driver Pack offline. This will help you to install drivers offline at any time. Software number 4. TeamViewer. Remote control your partner's PC as if you were sitting right in front of it. For the remote session to work, the partner has to start a small application, which does not require installation or administrative rights. It also helps to establish incoming and outgoing remote desktop and computer-to-computer connections for real-time support or access to files, networks and programs. To download and install TeamViewer, go to google.com, type in search TeamViewer, click on the official website, click on download TeamViewer, choose your operating system. Download it. You can also watch my another tutorial on how to use TeamViewer. Software number 5. File Shredder. With File Shredder you can remove files from your hard drive without fear they could be recovered. There are quite a few software tools today for retrieval of deleted files under Windows OS. Those tools, often referred to as file recovery software, are taking advantage of shortcoming of Windows delete command that we all use regularly to delete files. Actually, the delete operation in Windows only removes bits of information from files so they appear deleted in OS. It is easy to retrieve those files using the aforementioned specialized file recovery software. In order to remove or shred files permanently from your system, you have to use a program that is capable of rewriting the files with random series of binary data multiple times. This process is often called shredding. To download and File Shredder, go to google.com, type and search File Shredder, click on the first link, click on Download File Shredder and install it. You can also watch my another tutorial on how to use File Shredder. Software number 6. Opera Browser and Free VPN. Opera is the first and still only major browser that integrates a free unlimited VPN service, allowing you to focus on the content that matters without fear of losing privacy. Enhanced online privacy is a right for everyone. Our free built-in VPN requires no subscription payment or additional extensions. To download and install Opera Browser and Free VPN, go to google.com, type and search Opera Browser and Free VPN, click on the first link, click on Download Opera Browser and Free VPN and install it. To activate the free VPN for the first time, enable it in menu to Settings to Privacy to VPN. Click on Opera Setting button on toolbar, click on Setting, click on Primary Selection, click on it, scroll down and enable VPN. To activate VPN, simply check VPN on. Software number 7. Recover. Recover, pronounced Recover, is a freeware Windows utility that can help you to restore your files which have been accidentally deleted from your computer. This includes files accidentally emptied from the recycle bin as well as images and other files that have been deleted by user error from memory cards or external devices such as MP3 players. With Recover you can even rescue files that have been lost due to bugs, crashes or viruses. To download and install Recover, go to google.com, type and search Recover software, download File Hippo, click on the first link, click on Download, install it. You can also watch my. So that's it guys, that's 7 most useful free software every computer user must know. If you like this video, leave a thumb up. If you wanna watch more videos like this, always do subscribe and show us the love by sharing this content. You can also ask question, suggestion or doubts. We will definitely replay each and every comment you leave. This is Nipesh Kumar Shah from Techmechos. See you guys on next one. Peace out.